Hey everybody, I'm here today to evaluate this new product I just bought. It was a 24-foot pressure washer extension. I bought this to clean the gutters. I'm going to go ahead and document that in this video as well. But hey, if this helps you at all, or if it's interesting, can you please subscribe? That always helps on the back end, and it also motivates me to make more of these videos. So anyways, here's the wand. Seems awesome. It extends very easily. I'm going to show you those buckles. It's got the switch over here, and the hose that you see here, it collapses inside the tube. So as you extend, the hose goes with it. So you're not hooking up just your water at the end, at the bottom of it, and relying on the pipe to transfer water. So anyways, let me get some close-up shots. It's quite heavy. I bought a sling to support it, but it doesn't quite fit it. I'll say a little something about that later. To extend it, all you got to do is flip these guys and it goes in and out. So there's two pieces on this model that allow it to extend, and it comes with this part right here up to here, and then here is what they call a power clean. It's not adjustable, it doesn't move, but internally it oscillates and fires water on both sides. So basically you put this in the gutter, you pull the trigger, and you're pressure washing both sides of the gutter. So in theory, you should be able to just swipe along the gutters in between the little bridges for support, and you should have clean gutters. So here's the condition of the gutter. So you can see it's jam-packed with a bunch of goodies from Mother Nature. And the drain somewhere underneath there. So if I dug here, you'd see it's kind of like peanut butter. There's so much dirt from the trees and sand from the shingles, everything like that. So I'm going to just try to go along the gutter, starting from that side, and come down, work my way, and blow everything out of the gutter. We'll see how this goes. Alright, well, here's my first thoughts. The 24-foot extension, that's quite heavy. I did buy a sling that would hold it. However, the bracket right here, it fits too loosely around the yellow part and too tightly around the gun. So I'm going to have to modify it to make it fit right and get nice and tight, but I think that's the way to go. Alright, besides that, so this sucker makes a mess. You can see the side of the house right there. You know, all that on the siding and then dripping down, but I guess that's the fault of messy gutters, right? And then underneath the gutter, I'm going to definitely have to clean that, but the extension will definitely do that afterwards. My ladder's dirty as can be too. Just kind of says what happened basically. The gutter's flowing, which is good. It's still dripping. I know some stuff came out. It was all brown water while I started. Well, let me get up there and take a look at this. Alright, well, that shows it. I'm sold. This thing's awesome. I'm glad that I got it. However, with the heaviness, it's a pain in the butt to manipulate. What else? I needed to start at this end because that gutter was clogged, so I figure if I was sitting there just pressure washing away, it's just going to build up water and then nothing's really going to drain through. So let me clear that out. So I did that. But as you can see, the only remnants is at the end. There's still that bundle that I'll probably just grab by hand, which is a little unfortunate, but I don't know. With a little bit of manipulation, I could probably clear that out with that attachment for the pressure washer. But at the other end, it's totally clear. So that's goodness, because 24-foot extension's definitely gonna be used for that gutter way up high over there. I don't know if I'll get up on the ladder to do that. My fear of heights is pretty good. But yeah, so total success. That's great. Now I want to go ahead and show you this setup in action. Filming this myself, so unfortunately this might be a little painful on the ears. You might want to turn down the volume right now. So the refresh rate of this camera made it look like it was slowly oscillating, but that ain't the case. It happens real fast. Kind of has a cool effect with the camera, but anyway, final thoughts. Wear safety glasses. Get a harness. Make it work. Make it fit. I think it's an excellent product. Both the wand, it's a 24-foot extension. You can see it extended here a little bit. The end, the power clean, that thing's awesome too. So I think this will save me a big headache, and definitely it'll help when it comes to that second story. So I'll go ahead and include the links in the description to where I got this, and I hope if you get it, it works out just as well. This is not sponsored by anybody. I'm just a DIYer. And if you can, subscribe. Every subscriber helps. Thanks.